Take charge of your lawn with this 21-inch lawnmower from PowerSmart. It has more features for a better value than the competitors, so you're in control. Available as a 2-in-1 or 3-in-1 lawnmower. Choose if you want mulching and side discharging, or the 3-in-1 model that adds bagging capabilities. Either way, with easy start mowers that have more powerful engines than competitors at similar price points, these models get the job done with ease. Multiple height adjustments and larger wheels let you breeze through your yard. The strong metal deck houses blades that lift and cut in a smooth motion, ideal for mulching, bagging, or side discharging, so you get a perfect cut in one pass. We believe that more power and features at a better value means you're the smart one. So go with PowerSmart, a cut above.
Restore a little lawn order to your unruly landscape with the cutting edge of grass grooming tech, MJ400E electric lawnmower from Sunjoe. Powered by a robust 12-amp motor, MJ400E delivers the performance of a gas machine with the convenience of an eco-friendly electric, with no fumes, fuss, or costly tune-ups. MJ400E's durable steel blade cuts a 13-inch wide, precise path on each pass. Simply plug in, power up, press the trigger, and mow. And Sunjoe's 3-position manual height adjustment system lets you customize the cut to suit your yard. MJ400E is the easy-to-use electric mower that's perfect for small lawns. Lightweight at just 22 pounds, the Sunjoe mower is easy to maneuver around corners and in tight spaces where bulky mowers just can't cut it. The detachable 9.2-gallon grass bag with built-in indicator flap catches to clippings as you mow for quick and easy disposal after the job's done. And every MJ400E comes backed by Sunjoe's complete 2-year warranty. So ditch the gas and cut the grass with the MJ400E electric lawnmower from Sunjoe. Get equipped.
One company stands out for being at the leading edge of innovation. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 compact mower, powered by the 20-volt max interchangeable lithium-ion battery system. The 3-in-1, with its revolutionary deck design, quickly and easily converts from a mower to a trimmer, featuring a power drive transmission for getting those trimming and edging jobs done fast. The complete solution for smaller lawns. BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 compact mower.